Vino Nunes now sources tell Republic TV that searches are being carried out in Anantnag, Srinagar, Avantipora and Baramulla. The raids are linked to an ISIS terror module that is currently in the valley. The raids have been underway this morning since 2 a.m. NIA Intelligence Bureau, RAW and are conducting raids currently. That's the news that we're tracking for you. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Gursimran to give us more details on this. Gursimran, tell us about the modus operandi of ISIS right now in the valley. We're given to understand that raids being conducted in Anantnag, Srinagar, Avantipora and Baramulla.
See, this was part of a larger conspiracy of ISIS to recruit youth from Jammu and Kashmir into their terror ranks, and that's why they were issuing a magazine, 17 editions of which have already been published. And this magazine was published from Afghanistan, but people from Jammu and Kashmir, National Capital and the nearby regions, they were part of that group which were into this. They were into the publishing of this magazine, which was focused on not only Jammu Kashmir, India, but also Sri Lanka, Maldives and Bangladesh. Now, NIA last week registered a case after which they are carrying out multiple raids. What we are being told by the sources that in 4 districts of the Kashmir, that is Srinagar, Baramulla, Avantipura and Anantnag, raids are being conducted at 10 locations and 9 people so far have been detained by the National Investigation Agency. Agency has also recovered some documents as well as laptop from Srinagar, and some suspects that have been detained are now being taken to Anantnag by the National Investigation Agency to carry forward the investigation. Important to mention is that this was a part of ISIS' largest conspiracy so that they can radicalize youth in Jammu and Kashmir to make them join their terror ranks. So this was something really serious, as with security forces crushing the head of the terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir. Now ISIS was using social media to spread their propaganda and to radicalize youth in Jammu and Kashmir, and that's why National Investigation Agency along with the Investigation Bureau and Research and Analysis Wing, the top intel agency of the country, they were into this probe, and now NIA is carrying out probe in 4 districts of Kashmir Valley along with the Jammu and Kashmir Police and CRPF.